In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend email in Gmail. If you've ever hit send and instantly noticed a typo, forgot an attachment, or messaged the wrong person, Gmail gives you a brief window to pull that message back before it actually leaves your outbox. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Compose and send an email just like you normally would. Now, keep your eyes on the bottom left corner of the screen. Right after you send, you'll see a small message sent bar appear. In that notification, there's an option labeled Undo. Click Undo right away, and Gmail will stop the send, reopen the message, and place it back into your drafts folder. From there, you can fix the subject, update the body, add attachments, or simply delete the draft if you've changed your mind. By default, that undo window is short, only about 5 seconds. If you want a more comfortable buffer, you can increase it. Here's how to adjust the undo send time. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail to open Quick Settings, then select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll until you find that Undo Send section. Open the drop-down and choose the cancellation period that works for you: 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. After you've made your choice, be sure to scroll down and click Save Changes. Without saving, your new setting won't take effect. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes: Gmail isn't reaching into someone's inbox and pulling back a delivered message. Instead, it delays sending for the duration of your cancellation period. That means you can only unsend during that short window. Once the timer runs out, the email is permanently sent, and the undo option disappears. If you use Gmail on your phone or tablet, the feature behaves the same way. On the Gmail app for iOS and Android, you'll see an undo banner right after you send a message. Tap Undo before the banner goes away, and your message will be unsent and returned to drafts. A few practical tips to make this smoother: keep the lower left area of your screen in view after sending so you can catch the notification, and consider setting a longer cancellation period if you often catch last-second changes. With this small adjustment, you'll have just enough breathing room to prevent most email mishaps.